Good morning children. This is Pushpalata ma'am. Welcome to online class children. Today we are going to learn subject English class 2 lesson a magic matchbox practice book exercise we will learn children. Are you ready children? Let's start. Lesson 8 the magic matchbox. Here see children, the magic matchbox Neha does a lot of work for the witch. Complete the following list of work Neha does for the witch. Choose the correct word from the help box. Here help box given, in this some words given children. Catches, stitches, cooks, fetches. These words you have to write in the fill in the blank. Okay children, Neha does lot of work no children for the witch. So complete the following list of work Neha does for the witch. Neha dash sticks for cooking. What children? Neha fetches sticks for cooking. Okay children, she dash fish from the pond. She catches fish from the pond. Okay, she catches no children fish from the pond for which she did the work na. Now she dash food. She cooks food. She cooks food. She dash clothes for the witch. She stitches clothes for the witch. Okay children, understood? Neha fetches sticks for cooking. She catches fish from the pond. She cooks food. She stitches clothes for the witch. All these words tell us some action. Action no children, fetches, catches, cooks, stitches. These all words are tell us about some action, are called doing words. What are doing words children? All these words which tell us about some action are called doing words. Remember children, what are doing words means? So you have to say all the words which tell us about some action are called doing words. See, action means Neha is doing what? Fetches sticks for cooking. She catches fish from the pond. She cooks food. She stitches clothes for the witch. These all are action words. So, all these words which tell us about some action are called doing words. You remember children? Now worksheet 2. Neha is playing with her friends. See children, Neha is playing with her friends. See, here they all are Neha friends. Neha is playing with her friends near the jamun tree. Look at the picture and complete the sentences with words from the help box. Here help box some words are there. Collecting, climbing, sitting, eating, watching. I told you no, these all are action words, doing words. So you have to fill in the blanks with the doing words. Neha is dash the tree. Neha is what she is doing? Climbing. Neha is climbing the tree. Bhima is sitting on the tree. See here, Bhima is sitting on the tree. Isn't it children? Bhima is sitting on the tree. Kavita is watching Neha. Here she is Kavita. She is watching Neha. Kavita is watching Neha. Karan is collecting jamuns from the ground. Here Karan. See in the picture Karan. What he is doing? Karan is collecting jamuns from the ground. Karim is eating jamuns. Here Karim is eating jamuns. Understood children? Neha is climbing the tree. Bhima is sitting on the tree. Kavita is watching Neha. Karan is collecting jamuns from the grounds. Karim is eating jamuns. See children, in the picture see clearly. These words are what children? Doing words. All these words which tell us about some action are called doing words. Climbing, sitting, watching, collecting, eating. Understood children? What are doing words? All these words which tell us about some action are called doing words. Understood children? Now worksheet 3. Underline the doing words. Underline the, now you know what are doing words now? All the words which tell us about some actions are called doing words. You know definition now? Now easily you can underline the doing words. Okay children? Underline the doing words in the following sentence. Rajat goes to school. Here what Rajat is doing children? Goes. He is going to school. Goes to school. So underline goes. My mother cooks tasty food. In this what children? What my mother is doing? Cooks. So underline the cooks. Action. It show the action. The dog is running after the cat. So the dog is running. Running means dog, doing word here. The dog is running after the cat. So underline running word. We should cross the road carefully. Here what is the doing word children? Cross. C-R-O-S-S, cross. Underline the cross word. She sings beautifully. So underline sings. They are playing cricket. What they are doing? Playing. So doing word what children? Playing. The maid washes the dishes. The maid washes the dishes. Here doing word what children? Washes. So underline the washes. Neha is watching television. What is the doing word children? Guess. Yes, correct. Watching. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G, watching. Watching is the doing word. Remember children, all these words which tell us about some action are called doing words. Okay children, understood? Now worksheet 4. Look at the pictures and make sentences to tell what the person is doing. See children, here old man you can see children. Old man, what he is doing children? The old man is reading a newspaper. Okay children, in this sentence doing word reading. The old man is reading a newspaper. You can write your own children. See this picture children. The girl is dancing. Yes, no children? The girl is dancing. In this sentence what is doing word? Dancing. Okay children? Now come to the next picture. What she is doing? The boy is climbing a ladder. See here. He is climbing a ladder, no? Yes. Next picture see children. What the girl is doing? The girl is painting. The girl is painting. Painting is the doing word here. Okay children. See children. Next picture. The teacher is writing on the blackboard. Yes, no children, teacher is writing on the blackboard. Here doing word is writing. Okay children, remember always all the words which tell us about some action are called doing words. Okay children. Now worksheet 5 children, write any 8 words you know that end with TCH. That word should end with TCH. Now write children, each, I-T-C-H, each, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch, W-I-T-C-H, which, P-A-T-C-H, patch, F-E-T-C-H, fetch, S-W-I-T-C-H, switch, C-A-T-C-H, catch, scratch, scratch. Okay children, these all words end with tch. See children, tch. Itch, patch, catch, stretch, fetch, scratch, witch, switch. Okay children, understood children? Now here small assignment children, write worksheet 3, underline doing words one time children. Okay children, see you children. We will meet you in next online class children.